So friends, now is the monsoon and we are going to do trekking for waterfall. Welcome back to my channel Rishikesh Gateway. People are enjoying the waterfall. This is lovely. And we can have a trek. This is beautiful trek. You can do here. It's lovely track. Oh, okay, let's go.
Sorry.
Oh wow. Finally we reach in the waterfall and we have a wonderful experience here because me and my sister is here and no one here. We're like because this time is the waterfall is not allowed to come, but it's so beautiful. Like, you know, everything closed, no shop, no one pushing you, come here, and you don't see so many people. And behind of me you can see so much very clean water and super, like I'm standing here and I feel heaven. It's wonderful. Whenever you come Rishikesh, you don't miss this chance to visit this waterfall. It's called Neer Garh waterfall. Okay, see you soon. Thank you. Look at the overall view. Too wonderful. Like, oh my god, stunning. Raining time I'm doing this track. It's, trust me, it's wonderful. Like, guys, you should experience with me, and I love this part. Oh my god, look at this behind of me, and the like this too much. Look, the rain happened. Ooh la la. Oh, I love it. Guys, see you soon. Get Rishikesh Gateway.